Hey everybody, in today's video I'm going to be unboxing my latest purchase from Amazon. Not sure how well you're going to be able to see the tag, but this is the Cedar birdhouse from the company Golbong. G-O-L-B-O-N-G. As with all my purchases, I like doing these unboxing videos in case there's somebody else out there thinking about buying the same item and they want to get an idea of what does it look like when it comes in, what's the quality like, etc. So, if I can get this out. Tell you what, first let's take a look at the accessories. So, this birdhouse has a 1.5 inch hole opening. Slide this off. Designed for bluebirds. Let me see if we can get a measurement just to make sure. Yep, 1.5 inch. But we'll look at these in a minute. They also give you some additional holes if you wanted to make the hole size smaller on the birdhouse, in case you're wanting to attract downy woodpeckers or chickadees or titmouse or something like that. They give you 3 different sizes that you can put on the birdhouse instead for attracting different birds. For my area, I'm looking to do bluebirds, so the hole size they've got at 1.5 inches is perfect. Let's take a look at it. Again, cedar birdhouse. You shouldn't have to worry about any kind of rotting. Cedar is pretty durable. They've got this opening on the side here that's really great for letting light in. So this birdhouse can be used just as a birdhouse, or they also sell a bird camera that you can run through the inside of the house, mount it to the top. This lets light in so that you can get better video quality with your camera. I do have the camera, so if I get any kind of footage, maybe I will attach it to this as well. We've got the metal mesh here in the bottom, but you can take that out if you want. I know some people like using that, some people do not. The top does not open, it is screwed closed. If you wanted to open it, again, if you're wanting to run the bird camera through, you would just undo these screws, and then it's got a hinge on the back that allows you to open the back of it. If you're looking to clean the house or check it, then you would just open this here. Anyway, that's a quick unboxing. I'm gonna put it out and see if the birds like it.